Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we'll show you how to install MySQL on Windows 10 step by step. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for MySQL Download. Click on the official link that says Download MySQL Installer. Now scroll down and choose the first option under Windows. Click on Download. On the next page, click on No Thanks, just start my download. Once the download is complete, open the file. A dialog box appears saying, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. The MySQL installer window opens. Under Choosing a Setup Type, select Server Only and click Next. Now under the download screen, click Execute. Wait until the download progress reaches 100%. Once it's done, click Next. Under Installation, click on Execute. Again, wait until the progress reaches 100%. Once installation is complete, click Next. Now it asks for a MySQL root password. Type password in the password field. Repeat the same password in the confirm password field. Then click Next. Click Next again. Under File Server Permissions, keep Grant Full Access selected and click Next. Under Apply Configuration, click Execute. Wait until all configurations are complete. Once done, click Finish. Now you'll see Product Configuration. Click Next. And finally, click Finish again. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard and open MySQL 8.0 Command Line Client. Type the password and press Enter. You'll now be logged into MySQL. But here's the issue. If you close this window or restart your system, MySQL stops running. To solve this permanently, press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find MySQL 8.0 in the list. Double-click on it. In the Startup Type dropdown, select Automatic. Then click OK. That's it. MySQL is now installed and configured to run automatically every time you start your system. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Vision Academy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.